Hello and welcome. This is Waleed with you. Last week I was recording a lecture and it got corrupted because of the power outage that we experienced, and that file didn't get converted by Zoom and it was all corrupted, and it was a very important lecture. I had to recover it. I couldn't, but I then researched about data recovery and video repair. There were solutions, but those are for techies. So for non-techies, what I've actually found is a solution, and that solution is a makeshift, not a permanent solution, but of course it will actually help you out. Nonetheless, all you have to do is a little bit of legwork. So let's get back and see what I actually did. So what I actually found from YouTube search was that Wondershare Repair It. This is a software which is very powerful in repairing your corrupted files. And let's add a video. Let's add a video, document, Zoom, and this was my lecture, which was 29th of July. Yes, this is the original lecture that was corrupted. Video, I'll add this, remind me later. Advanced repair mode, repair, get me a file that is what will serve as a template. Zoom, any file, so it will actually copy the layers or the headers and the packets to replicate the design, the overall template from this video over the corrupted video, so that it actually looks similar and is repaired on the similar lines. So now it's actually checking and we'll start repairing. It will take some time, and I found that at 12.5 there was a little bit of glitch. Okay, and that glitch was actually where the file got corrupted, and it's repairing it. And then I noticed there was some glitch at this point at 97, and it was actually taking time to repair it. But the way that I'm going to show you after this, the solution will actually help you to get the corrupted files back, but it will not get you the audio back, so you'll have to add something to cover that up. So if you were recording something that has essential audio part, then I'm sorry that this solution might not work for that, but nonetheless you would actually save your video. You can add your audio back using Canva, and I'll show how to use that. And then right now I'm recording this audio, this video with OBS, and it will be actually showing these borders, these bleeds, and I'll also show you the way to remove these bleeds as well in Canva. So if you see at 92 it's slowing down, it's getting stuck, so it's repairing. At this point it's repairing. And the drawback with Wondershare Repair It is that it requires you to buy this software, buy its subscription for this software if you really want to save this video, this saved repaired video, and that is the drawback I was facing. So what I did, I used OBS to capture the recording again. I recorded on the OBS the same thing. I played this file in the preview mode, and let's see, and we'll see that the review mode it will play, but there is again a drawback in the review mode. It gets paused every now and then after some seconds, so you have to use your mouse to do that. So again, there will be some quality loss of your video, so you'll have to click after every fraction of a second to make that video look that it was continuous. So there will be some video quality loss, content loss of your video, and that's what you'll have to actually live by with. So at 94 it's still repairing. So at two places, at 12.5 and at 92 and 94, it is finding some challenges to repair it. I mean, that was what I also faced, but upon doing some research I have actually found this solution that actually will work. So now it's at 95, and this is really painstakingly very painful to wait for a video stuck at 95, and this actually reminds me of the 80s and the 90s when we used to install Windows, and it would take time, and at 99 it was just stop over there for eternity. That actually what I recalled. And those were the times, those were some really good times when we used Windows XP, Windows 95, Windows 98. If that was a version, we used to play GTA 5, not GTA 5, GTA 1 and 2. That was the gaming standard that we had, and those graphics, those days now look very, very childish, but those were the graphics. I mean, loved those graphics, and those graphics looked masterclass. And comparing with the graphics that we have today, those graphics did actually look very mature, and those graphics still have that position that modern graphics can't actually beat that, because the frequency, the wavelength, the bandwidth, the energy that we had, the way we played those games, the simplicity, those times, those cannot be captured by the recent graphics, right? So we played GTA 1 and 2 at that time, and Windows corruption and Windows file corruption was very common in those days. But we didn't have these softwares like Wondershare Repair It. I mean, these are good softwares, but then again, when it actually comes down to subscription, these softwares have very expensive subscription models. People from third world countries cannot afford this much of payment for subscription. That's why I've actually produced a solution that will actually help you. It's not that I'm trying to gain more time by speaking, but right now, as you can see, it's at 98, so I have to keep speaking, and I have to keep you engaged so you don't actually get bored. And now it's 100%, and we'll play the review, and that review will be recorded, and I will show you how you can actually save your video in Canva without showing all these borders and of the rest of the bleeds that I would call. Okay, and that's why I'm not moving this window too, so that I can actually save this template when I'm actually playing. Now we are in the preview mode. Preview, it will prepare, make it ready. And this was my lecture. I've already actually saved a part of this lecture so that I can show you how you can save this video, although it is playing in the repair mode, in the preview mode, but it is quite slow, so you have to actually make it a little bit of fast. And at 11 it got stuck, and if you see, is getting stuck because this is the place where I believe that this software was repairing it. Okay, so if I try to save it, it just comes back to this 20.99 US dollars per month, and 48.99 per month monthly plan. And this is, I believe, yearly plan. Oh no, this is video repair toolkit. I mean, this is the whole toolkit. I am not affiliated with this software, so I'm not actually promoting it. I'm not even buying it now, but I'm actually telling you how to bypass this and overcome this problem of saving this preview. So what you'll do, you'll just record this as I am doing it using OBS software. That will actually help you to capture this video, and once you have it, okay, you'll just go down to your PC, local drive, users, Dell, videos, and here is the video that I have. Although this video is being recorded right now and this will be available on YouTube, but this is the video that was saved from the repairing thing, after the repairing thing. And now I'm going to tell you how to save your video without subscribing to Wondershare Repair It. I know Wondershare people will not actually like that. Okay, so what you'll do is, this is what you'll do. You'll just bring the video over here, drag and drop. Okay, and that is me. So if you can see the bleeds over here, what I'll do, I'll just stretch it, maximize it, but it will not take away the bleeds right now. I'll tell you how to take the bleeds. And what you have to do to take away the bleeds, you have to just crop it. Okay, once you actually crop it, you can crop it very easily. You see over here, and it crops it very nicely, very nicely, and you can capture it. So you'll have to actually adjust and modulate the play area. crop it. Now again expand it so it fits the window, and then you can save this thing. Okay, you can save this thing. So there are more bleeds. Let me just crop it again. Let me just crop it again. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm cropping it, and so I'll remove this as well. And okay, crop, and oh, it's not cropping it. Anyways, but I've actually given you the idea. Let me crop that again until we just do it. You just have to be a little bit stubborn with yourself. That's what life is all about, guys. Yeah. I'm not using my headphones today. My mic, it's lost somewhere. Okay, this is what I have to crop. Fine. Okay. Fair enough. I mean, it does manage for some reason. That's how you do it. And then once you crop it, just add some audio elements as I've done over here. Okay, and then you actually download it and save it, and that's how you can do it. That's how you can save your corrupted files. You repair it with Wondershare and then record that preview play in OBS, and after the OBS recording is done, bring that video from OBS into Canva, crop it, and then run it. Your video is all saved. That's all for today. That's how you can repair your corrupted files and save them. I hope this helps you out. Do subscribe to the channel. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe with your friends and family and tell them to get your corrupted files saved like this without spending a penny. Till next time, bye bye.